Go. Oh boy.
Hey, Bella's stomach is rumbling.
Again.
Fetch. Nap. Lunch.
Go drink a little salt. Now you're completely sleeping.
Uh-oh, sounds like Goofy Baby is hungry. What should we do?
Feed her. That's so funny.
Okay, that's my tummy talking. I don't think he could wait either. He's saying, feed me, feed me. But my tummy's running on empty.
Yeah.
This is making me hungry.
Long ago. Now I know how.
All today. Boy, oh boy, oh boy! You got me my water! Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy!
Again. I do not like that.
I'm kinda hungry. How about dinner at the diner? Oh, I don't think Donald's stomach can wait.
Gosh, all that yummy talk got our tummies rumbling.
Oh, my goodness, all this jumping and flying talk has made me hungry. You too?
Hey, Franny, did I hear that you're hungry?
The farm market is still not open yet. Like, listen,
Yeah, Zoe, are you okay, Goofy? Oh, yeah. That's just my tummy a-rumbling.
Crackers, what's that sound?
Uh-oh, red alert. Oh, I forgot to have a snack before takeoff. My tummy's all rumbly.
I'm kinda hungry, but... I think I ate a little too much. Jared could use a snack right now. It's you! I think it's time for lunch. I think you're right.
Yo.
An emergency. Though I wish it was. Oopsie, Tommy. Meowsers. Oh, Jenny. No, I can't. Ooh, my tummy. Now all our tummies are talking.
According to the map, we've reached Biggie's stomach. Oh, excuse me. I guess playing with all these great gifts really works up an appetite. That's not why your tummy is rumbling, Fozzie. It's almost snack time, which means...
It's time for our Christmas party.
Damn it. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Maybe we'd better do a show and tell about our favorite snacks now?
Of course.
I'm a little hungry.
Look at that. Yummy. No. Yeah. The end.